cow, cow, cow. This is a cow. A baby cow is a calf, calf. Cows and calves live in a barn, barn. Cows like to eat grass, grass. Sheep, sheep, sheep. This is a sheep. A baby sheep is a lamb, lamb. Sheep and lambs live in a barn, barn. Sheep like to eat grass, grass. Pig, pig, pig. This is a pig. A baby pig is a piglet, piglet. Pig and piglets live in a barn, barn. Pigs like to eat grass, grass. Duck, duck, duck. This is a duck. A baby duck is a duckling, duckling. Duck and ducklings live in a pond, pound. Ducks like to eat worms, worms. Chicken, chicken, chicken. This is a chicken. A baby chicken is a chick, chick. Chickens and chicks live in a coop, coop. Chickens like to eat worms, worms. Dog, dog, dog. This is a dog. A baby dog is a puppy, puppy. Dogs and puppies live in a house, house. Dogs like to eat bones, bones. Cat, cat, cat. This is a cat. A baby cat is a kitten, kitten. Cats and kittens live in a house, house. Cats like to eat fish, fish. Horse, horse, horse. This is a horse. A baby horse is a foal, foal. Horses and foals live in a barn, barn. Horses like to eat grass, grass.